Here are 10 tips to help get rid of acne, scars, and spots. Number 1. Cleanse your skin. Use a gentle cleanser twice daily to remove excess oil, dirt, and bacteria from your skin without stripping it of its natural oils. Number 2. Exfoliate regularly. Exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells that can clog pores and contribute to acne. Use a gentle exfoliator 2 to 3 times a week to reveal smoother, clearer skin. Number 3. Use topical treatments. Incorporate topical treatments containing ingredients like benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid, or retinoids to target acne and reduce inflammation. Number 4. Moisturize. Keep your skin hydrated with a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer to prevent dryness and irritation, which can exacerbate acne and scarring. Number 5. Protect your skin from the sun. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher daily to protect your skin from UV damage and prevent post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation dark spots. Number 6. Avoid picking or squeezing acne. Picking or squeezing acne lesions can worsen inflammation, increase the risk of scarring, and spread bacteria, leading to more breakouts. Number 7. Try natural remedies. Some natural ingredients like tea tree oil, honey, aloe vera, and green tea extract have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce acne and improve skin texture. Number 8. Consider professional treatments. Consult a dermatologist for professional treatments such as chemical peels, microdermabrasion, laser therapy, or corticosteroid injections to target acne, scars, and hyperpigmentation. Number 9. Eat a balanced diet. Incorporate foods rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, to support skin health and reduce inflammation. Number 10. Manage stress. Practice stress-reducing techniques like meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or regular exercise to help prevent stress-related breakouts and promote overall well-being. Remember, achieving clear and healthy skin takes time and consistency. It's essential to be patient and gentle with your skin and consult a dermatologist if you're struggling to manage acne or scarring effectively. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Become part of our growing community and never miss an upload.